One major area of application of bioinformatics domain is biotechnology. What is biotechnology? In this module, we will look into three different directions. Number one, what is definition of biotechnology? A brief history of biotechnology, and what are different types of biotechnology. Let us start from the definition of biotechnology. So basically, biotechnology deals with use of living organisms or the products of living organisms for human benefit. इससे मुराद ये है कि कोई भी ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन विच इज़ बेस्ड ऑन ह्यूमन बींग्स और लिविंग थिंग्स की इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ ह्यूमंस, it comes under the umbrella of biotech. Then when does it started? What is the history? Basically, it started in 1917, and what was its purpose? It was used to describe processes based on living organisms and then their products. So simple processes plus combination of those processes to make some product. So what was the area or how it started? Basically, it started when human beings started to plant their own crops, then they tamed animals, and then started making different things out of the plants and animals, such as an example is when they started making cheese from milk of a cow. Similarly, biotechnology, it is a multidisciplinary field. Why multidisciplinary? Because if we want to make some application from biotechnology, we should have knowledge of engineering, computer science, microbiology, genetics, molecular biology, and so on. So it's not a single field, it is an amalgam of different fields, and then we can make a useful application from biotech. What are different types of microbiology? There are different types available. Number one type is microbial biotechnology. So microbial means which consists of microorganisms. So what are different microorganisms? They can be DNA, RNA, then yeast, bacteria, and so on. And what is its importance? That it will generate different sorts of important products, such as they can help us to produce proteins, which will be useful for human growth and for different animals also. They can also help us to generate different enzymes, which are useful for other purposes, different purposes. Moving on, we have agriculture biotechnology. What is agriculture biotechnology? As the name suggests, it is related to biotech applications which are in the area of agriculture. यानी कि जो ज़राअत से relevant information होगी, that comes under the umbrella of agriculture biotech. अब ज़राअत से मुराद क्या है कि इसमें हमारे पास ऐसी भी फसलें होंगी या क्रॉप्स होंगी which are related to food or with respect to some other things such as our clothing, etc., crops, cotton, and so on. Then we have animal biotech. Animal biotech का basic purpose क्या होता है कि to attain proteins from animals, and this protein is useful for other purposes. And also it is useful for cloning of animals. Cloning means for birth of animals. जब animals की हम birth करते हैं for meat purposes or for eating purposes. Then medical biotechnology. Medical biotechnology, it helps us to generate preventive medicines जो हमें किसी बीमारी से बचाने के लिए यूज होते हैं. Then we have illness को क्योर करने के लिए, कोई बीमारी हो गई उसको इलाज करने के लिए. Similarly, other human diseases जैसे जो epidemic diseases हैं उनको सॉल्व करने के लिए, उनको क्योर करने के लिए. Then we have forensic biotechnology. Forensic biotechnology, it can be defined as inclusion or exclusion of a person from suspicion. इससे मुराद क्या है कि based on forensic sciences, यानी कि हम बेस्ड ये देखते हैं कि जो पर्सन है उसने कोई क्राइम कमिट किया है या नहीं किया, तो either he is suspicious or no. Then identification of human remains. It is important कि अगर हमारे पास कोई ऐसी चीज़ मिलती है, जैसे हमारे पास ह्यूमन रिमेन्स मिलते हैं बेस सच एज फॉसिल्स वगैरह मिलते हैं, तो उसकी बेस पे हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि ये कौन पर्सन था, कहाँ से, उस किस एरिया से था, किस कबीले से था, एंड सो ऑन. सिमिलरली एंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज, ऐसी स्पीशीज जो ख़त्म हो रही हैं विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम, उनको बचाने के लिए या उनसे रेलिवेंट इंफॉर्मेशन कैप्चर करने के लिए हम फोरेंसिक बायोटेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करते हैं. सिमिलरली ट्रैकिंग एंड कंफर्मेशन ऑफ स्प्रेड ऑफ ह्यूमन डिजीजेस, कि अगर ह्यूमन डिजीजेस किसी एरिया में स्प्रेड हो रही हैं तो क्या उनको कंफर्म किया जा सकता है, अगर वो कंफर्म हो जाती हैं तो उन्हें कैसे ट्रैक करना है. दिस ऑल्सो कम्स अंडर द अम्ब्रेला ऑफ फोरेंसिक बायोटेक.